So another feature that ChatGPT sneakily added to our accounts is memory. So basically, and I didn't see that until I just went to have a look at something in my account. Basically, you click on your name and then you click on settings and beta. And then you will see a new tab here that says personalization. So basically, they've added this feature that will allow ChatGPT to remember certain things. Here's what it says: to understand what ChatGPT remembers or teach it something new, just chat with it. So basically, you can say, remember that I like concise responses, or I just got puppy. They also have a small article here. Sorry, trying to get to it, about it. So memory and new controls for ChatGPT. And they have a little example here of the things that ChatGPT can remember if you prompt it to. And of course, you can delete them or you can clear your whole ChatGPT memory. So if we go back here, and if we go to manage, this is the window where you will see all kinds of things that you have asked ChatGPT to remember. And they also have here how it works. It says, as you chat with ChatGPT, you can ask it to remember something specific or let it pick up details itself. So basically, if it's something that you definitely want ChatGPT to remember, you have to prompt it. You have to tell it to remember that thing. Otherwise, it will probably pick up random things that it feels are important to you. It continues to say, ChatGPT's memory will get better the more you use it, and you'll start to notice the improvement over time. And they have a couple of examples. You've explained that you prefer meeting notes to have headlines, bullets, and action items summarized at the bottom. ChatGPT remembers this and recaps meetings this way. Another example is you've told ChatGPT you own a neighborhood coffee shop. When brainstorming messaging for a social post celebrating a new location, ChatGPT knows where to start. And a couple of others, you mentioned that you have a toddler and that she loves jellyfish. When you asked ChatGPT to help create her birthday card, it suggested jellyfish wearing a party hat. And the last one is, as a kindergarten teacher with 25 students, you prefer 50-minute lessons with follow-up activities, and ChatGPT remembers this when helping you create the lesson. I am going to put a link to this article so you can go and check it out. But if you want to get everything that is happening in the AI world, please subscribe to my channel because I keep it up to date. Or if you want to learn how to implement AI into your business, make sure that you check out the AI School of Business. And I will put the link in this under this video as well.